What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of me moving to Asia. And it's been a while since I made a video just because there's not much to make, but I have 6 days left until I move. So right now I am packing all my things up. Super excited, guys. And I'm packing right now and I realize I have a lot of things that I want to bring with me to Vietnam, and I realize I might not have enough luggage. So I might have to pay a little extra for extra luggage to bring all my stuff back from Vietnam. I know there's some things that I might not even need. You know, I have some sweaters and, warmer clothes. I figured, hey, I might be going to Japan or Korea in the colder seasons, so I might need it. So I'm bringing it just in case. And if you don't know Vietnamese culture, whenever you go back to Vietnam, you always have some friends and family relatives wanting you to bring stuff back for them, right? To their family or their friends. And so I'm okay with that. So a lot of people have been asking me to bring some stuff back for them. So that's the reason why I have a lot of stuff. And I want to show you guys one thing. I got this really, really nice speaker, De Violette. This is a gift from Crystal. Crystal, thank you so much for this gift. This means a lot to me. This is so nice. I'm looking forward to using this at my apartment and also when I travel around Asia. It's very portable, and I love the fact that it has a bag, easy to travel with. This is a really, really nice, high quality speaker, and I am so grateful for that. Thank you, Crystal. But yeah, let me show you guys what I have so far. Man, I have a lot of things, man. I don't know, I'm a shoe guy, so I'm bringing like 8 pairs of shoes, some sandals. I have a lot of clothes. I know people say don't bring too much clothes. You can always buy more stuff there, but I like my clothes, so I'm bringing whatever I can. So let me show you guys what I have. So yeah, this is one luggage. I have two check-ins. I might need 3. I also have a carry-on and a personal bag, so I'm hoping everything fits. I did weigh this yesterday and it was way over capacity, so I had to take some stuff out. But yeah, I have some shoes in here, more shoes there. Obviously my camera equipment, tripod. Of course, I gotta bring my pickleball paddle. Definitely try and play some more pickleball out there, do some cardio, and a lot of clothes out here on the couch. And yeah, I have a lot of things, man, a lot of things. And let me show you guys my room. So I have been living here for almost 4 years now, and this is in Westminster, California. I am renting out a room from a friend. I've known them for a while now, like 5-6 years, and they're like family to me. And I'm very fortunate to be able to move in with them and live in this beautiful, beautiful house. They have a swimming pool. I'm able to use the whole house as I please. And it's been a great time living here with them for 4 years. And the reason why I want to show you guys this room is let you guys know how much I pay for this room here in California compared to the apartment that I'm going to be renting out in Vietnam, just the price comparison and also the living space. So this is a pretty nice, decent sized room. I have been cleaning up a lot, so it looks pretty empty right now. As you can see, it's pretty decent size. They have a swimming pool out there, which we don't use as often as we should. And I get my own private bathroom as well. So the total I pay for this is $1,300 a month, and it's been great. I love the area. It's close to the freeway, shopping, Costco, and my parents and all my friends. So I really love this area. If I didn't decide to move to Vietnam, I would probably stay here, So yeah, I just want to show you guys how much I paid for. I paid $1,300 for this space. And when I go to Vietnam, when I do my apartment shopping, and when I finalize on which apartment I'm gonna stay at, I'll show you guys the comparison for whatever amount. I don't know how much I'm paying, but I'm gonna stay close to $1,300, which I'm the same price I'm paying here. But if I can get some place that's a lot cheaper, I am definitely going to look into that. So this episode is just me packing up, cleaning out my room, and getting ready for my move. 6 days, so it's getting close. I am excited, very nervous, excited at the same time. I look forward to this new journey, right? So yeah, one reason why I am so grateful for the decisions I made a few years ago not to buy a house in California, just because I felt like I didn't want to be a house owner, paying mortgage. And California is really expensive, as you know. And And at the time, I decided to buy rental properties instead. So I bought investment properties in other states, and instead of buying a house here in California. Back then, my strategy was to buy a few properties, make money from that, and then have that pay for a house that I would live at in California. But 4 years later, I still decided not to buy a house here and just rent. And I'm grateful that I made that decision, because it allowed me to pick up and move, and I don't have to worry about a mortgage. I don't have to worry about renters or anything like that. So I'm glad I made the decision not to buy a house for that reason. So yeah, I just want to make a quick video to show you guys my progress and the days leading up to my move. So the next video will be me being in Vietnam, and I can't wait to show you guys that video. All right guys, stay tuned. Have a blessed day. God is good. See you guys next time.